Hi, I'm Shubham, and today I'm going to talk about what I feel is the next big thing in the world, which is gene therapy. As we all know, today the world is suffering from a global pandemic caused by the COVID 19 virus. And despite the doctors, scientists, and governments all across the world trying so hard to come up with a cure for the disease, they're not able to, simply because COVID 19 is a viral infection, and humans have not been able to come up with a cure for viral infections until now. The reason being, a virus is inanimate outside a human body. The moment it enters the host cell, it uses the host cell's genes to form their DNA composition and mutate and multiply at a rapid pace. There are other diseases such as cancer, HIV, tuberculosis, pulmonary diseases, diabetes, which are also proving to be fatal for mankind and are reducing the average life expectancy. These diseases needs to be eradicated as soon as possible before it poses a threat to mankind's existence. In my opinion, gene therapy can actually be the breakthrough technology which can eradicate all these diseases and help to increase human life expectancy. So, what basically is gene therapy? Gene therapy means removing or actually replacing the infected and mutated gene in a cell by the healthy gene. This process is done by a vector. A vector is a transporter which transports healthy genes into the infected cell to replace the infected genes. This process can also be used to improve the immunity of a person by replacing the weaker immunity genes in a cell with the stronger immunity genes. This technology can also be used to kill virus, kill or stop virus, as virus uses the host's genes in order to form their own DNA composition and multiply and mutate from there. So by injecting a healthy gene into an infected cell, we can actually stop the growth and mutation of the virus. This technology, although is not completely new, as gene therapy has been there since 1980, but now due to technological advancement and also globalization, now it's more feasible and viable to use this technology. There are many biotechnology companies that are actually using this, but the one I'm going to talk about is Spark Therapeutics. Spark Therapeutics was founded in 2013, and ever since the company was founded, they have been working actively in finding cure for various diseases such as hemophilia, genetic blindness, etc. Their first breakthrough was when the US Food and Drug Industry and Drug Administration approved Luxturna for treatment of retinal dystrophy, which is a genetic blinding condition. The company was acquired by Swiss pharmaceutical company Hoffmann La Roche in 2019 for $4.8 billion. After being acquired, Spark Therapeutics has endless opportunities and possibilities because now they have now they now being now they have more money to put towards research and development, which means they can actually go on to find a cure for the viral infection with the gene therapy. If they're able to do so, if they're able to find a cure for viral infections such as COVID-19, they'll be the first one in the human history to do so, which means they'll have the first movers advantage in the market. And as we know, any company having a first mover advantage in the market is a huge boon. With this, they can actually patent their technology and license it to different pharmaceutical and biotechnology company from which they can make money. Also, the only thing that Spark Therapeutics need to make sure is that the technology is cutting edge, precise, without any loops. Because if technology fails, then a human life will be at risk. which is unethical and unacceptable. Thank you.